Yoga is the journey of the self to the self through the self. Yoga comes from the Sanskrit word yud. Yoga means connection or union. Our body is costume and we are the energy which thinks, feels, decide and come to do karma. Yoga is both spiritual and physical. Yoga uses breathing techniques, exercise and meditation. It helps to improve health and happiness. If we do yoga posture correctly, then we can feel that our body and mind become active and pure. It also helps to make our mind creative. If we regularly practice yoga and meditation, then we can feel a positive energy in our body. To be happy, to have happiness always, to have harmony always, and to have heaven on earth, we need our connection with Supreme. Even while we are practicing yoga asana or posture, if we do not create a right thought at that time, our body is bending in right direction, but our mind is not bending in right direction. If we are bending and making our body flexible, but the vibration radiating to our body, they are still full of worry and anxiety. So, we have to create right thought while doing yoga and meditation. Because if we do not create right energy, then however hard we work on our body, we will still not get perfect health. Yoga will be completed only when it starts from the source, our mind. We cannot do it only on the body. Yoga cannot be time specific, it has to be a yogic lifestyle. While we are doing pranayam, breathe in love and power, and breathe out everything holding from the past and negative thoughts. So, while doing yoga and pranayam, create your thoughts, clear your toxin, not only from body, clear it from your mind. Wash your mind regularly, that is emotional infection. Regular yoga practice creates mental clarity and calmness, increase body awareness, relax the mind, center attention and sharp concentration. There are various benefits of yoga like mental, physical, spiritual and many more. But the most important is mental and spiritual because if we are healthy and pure from our mind and inner soul, then we will always stay healthy. So the mental benefits are relief stress, low anxiety, decrease depression, improve sleep quality, enhance quality of life, and some spiritual benefit of yoga are stimulate chakra, mindfulness, connect to inner strength, sense of control, fulfillment, self-discipline, and many more. Yoga encourages you to relax, slow your breath, and focus on the present, shifting the balance from the sympathetic nervous system to parasympathetic nervous system. Regularly practicing yoga increases the ability to feel what your body is doing, where it is in space, and improve balance. Yoga helps to change your life. In fact, that might be its greatest strength. Yoga does not ask you to be more than you are, but it does ask you to be all that you are. You really have to look inside yourself, find your own inner strength, and say, I am proud of what I am and who I am. We always have to remember that inhale the future and exhale the past. Slow and gradual, let's move up in upward direction in terms of frequency. And that's the power of yoga, to create heaven on earth by creating right thoughts and by connecting to Supreme.